Welcome back, everybody. Crypto Traders Podcast back in town. Today we have a nice episode for you guys. We're going to talk about the top 3 coins to buy on the next crypto possible correction.
Possible correction. That is right. That is right, CM. Look, guys, we are here for you to take you hand by hand, even in times of uncertainty. And we don't only look at the present, we look at the future as well, and what might happen. Maybe we'll have a BTC correction, maybe not. We'll talk about it in the end. But right now, let's assume we might have one. What do we want to look at, right? We would like to look at new type coins that have a positive narrative, right? We want to see them being super performers in the market, meaning they led the market in the way up, right? And we want to see them holding quite good above the 200-day moving average or so, and still showing relative strength after the potential move down, right? So as you can see, we have kind of a pattern here, a theme. We are talking about coins that potentially will show strength while the market is showing weakness, or at least a relative strength, right? So 3 main coins. First one, big banger for us, CAS, right? Now, I talked about CAS. I know CM talked about CAS, how we have a potential short-term head and shoulders, all right, on the daily, which, was a sign for potential, short-term, correction, which is happening, which is coinciding with the market, all right? So short-term bearish, and that is okay because we have corrections even in long-term bull markets for a coin. When they make 1,000, 2,000% moves, they have corrections along the way. Now, market environment did not let CAS continue to create a very substantial higher high, so it made only a marginal high. But what we are thinking is that CAS has a big potential, right, to show that relative strength in comparison to the market. Why? Because it's quite the banger since inception, and even if BTC will fall, will correct, and will take the majority of the market with it, CAS has a high probability of maintaining good price and potentially giving us more entries for another potential move up. CAS is for sure one of the 3 bangers. What do you think, CM?
Absolutely. I'm looking on if CAS can hold above its 200-day MA, just like it did here back in the previous correction, and that would be amazing buy signal for us in the community and for you guys, all the CAS traders, holders, 100%. Family, and gangsters. So really watch the 200. If it comes to the 200, start DCA into CAS, my friend, because CAS will make you rich, my friend.
CAS.
LFG. Now, let's go to the next one. All right, the next coin.
The
next coin we watch for a dip buy is Mr.
Naka or AKT. Yeah, Naka.
Let's go on AKT. I have AKT here.
AKT, I have AKT here. Perfect. Look, guys, AKT, quite the banger. We made huge move just a few weeks ago, right? Banged on it. This was one of the best trades in the last 3 months since Pepe, all right? We bought the breakout. It was beautiful. This is, a triangle, but as well, it's a VCP, all right, characteristic of a long base. We bought the breakout of it, made 100%. It even continued, like a potential 100%. It even continued. We sold it to strength, banger, right? Now, for you to know, for your knowledge, right, AKT is in the AI section, right? So it is within the very hyped type narrative, which is the AI narrative. And I will tell you one thing, I don't know when will AI be, common thing, right? Part of us maybe will have AI in our hands. I don't know. We can all, speculate about the future, but I will tell you one thing, the hype won't go away because this has real potential to disrupt the world, right? And I will tell you another thing, put crypto and combine it with AI together, that's the real future. And I will put all my chips on, betting that AI and crypto alongside each other will move the needle for the next bull market altogether, right? And as you can see, it showed amazing relative strength. If market corrects and AKT will show relative strength, this will be one of the probably ones you want to accumulate on the correction and then see it and add to the breakout once it will happen. What do you think, Sam?
100%, man. Look, on the KuCoin chart, you have actually more data on the OKX chart, I think. But you know, on the KuCoin chart, once they start going to KuCoin, they actually start ripping. And you can see AKT broke to new price discovery mode on the KuCoin chart. You can see since May 2022. Okay, so it's already in stage 2 aggressive bull market. Okay, so this is one coin, just like CAS, you want to buy dip, because most YouTubers out there will tell you, hey, you should DCA into XRP or to ADA or to Tuki or to Cookie. Bro, all these coins they tell you to DCA, they are in horrible, horrendous bear market stage. You know, it's horrible. Never DCA on a downward facing coin, and you're much better off DCA to this baby, because this baby is going higher, man. It's 100% going higher, man. There is no even a question of AKT not exploding this bull market. So you're better off buy AKT on a DCA. I'm looking for this area to start DCA with my lovely community. By the way, shout out to all my patrons and my community out there, guys. Shout out to all the community guys. Yes. Being a gangster, we're gonna keep making money while everybody losing money in crypto. Because we do the homework, man. So anyway, this is where we're buying, guys. Okay, around the 80 cents level. I obviously, if it's gonna go there, if it's not, I'm gonna just buy higher.
I will add one thing. Look, I don't buy when it's a falling knife, right? So when I say buy the dip, and I assume you agree with me, is not put buys on certain levels, is look at the price when it gets to that level, and when it starts pulling back up from those levels, that is where I would like to start buying, because I always buy on the way up and I don't buy on the way down, right? Why? Because I want more market confirmation that these are really the areas I want to get into for a position. And of course, it will be, you know, start a position and we'll be aggressive when we'll break out to highs, of course, but we will already have amazing profits from buying, you know, the pullback areas. That's why. And you know what? We have one more coin we want to discuss about, which is another banger for us, which is Naka. All right. Now, people might understand that me and UCM, we're very different than many YouTubers that talk about, as you said, XRP. You know, me and you were having, we like to have fun, right? And every now and then we take a chunk from, you know, Twitter that says XRP is going to $1,333 in the next bull market. Come on, don't be foolish idiots, right? I'm sorry for the wording, but you can't really anticipate a big cap, right? Going from 50 cents to $1,000, right? Don't believe those people or those influencers. They're lying for you because they want to clickbait you into just viewing what they have and whatever, right? It's bullshit. However, you know, small caps, when you buy them, they can make you the 2, 3, 5, 10, 20x quite fast, and we'll probably do it while XRP and big caps make mostly 2 or 3x, maybe in the next bull market. Always remember that, right? XRP, when it made its big move, it was a small cap. It wasn't a big cap, right? We need to remember that. So this is why Naka is what we want to talk about third. The third coin. Now, take a look at the beautiful thing. Naka is above the 200-day moving average. 200-day moving average sloping up. We had a big up move from the lows, I reckon around 300 to 400%. Then we had a consolidation sideways and another big move up from that base to create a base over base, right? Now we talked about this in previous, you know, videos, so I'm not going to elaborate on what is base over base, but essentially it means that we are gearing up for a potential continuation, right? But we just need need more time for the market to give Naka, right, the chance to continue. Now, while the market will probably correct, and let's say assume it corrects, I want to see how Naka is holding. I would love to see Naka hold at least, all right, above the 30 cents, and above the 38 cents would be even more bullish. The higher it holds, the better and the more conviction I will have into getting into Naka. And of course, I'm not talking about the breakout. On the breakout, I'm going to go very deep into Naka, but I'm talking about buying pullbacks, all right, on corrections. That is the one area above the 30 cents. If we can pull back and remain above 38, that's even more bullish. Remember, the less we correct, the better. That is relative strength, all right? That is what relative strengths mean, all right? What do you think, Sian?
Yeah, man. Now that I'm looking on Naka, check out the weekly chart. It's so beautiful, man.
Slick.
This is
slick.
This is amazing. The cup and handle here, the cup and the handle, man. But it's like a long-term one. It's bro, this is the base of the next 100xer, man. Yeah, I saw it before. It's looked like Aave in 2020, man. That when it was the name Lend, you remember? It was called Lend, and
yes,
man, it's just going, man. Once Bitcoin goes to its, like, you know, up only mode, Naka is going to rip faces, man. It's, oh my god, man. I'm so excited about Naka, man. It's and I'm gonna buy here as well at around the 23. You can see this is the 50-week MA.
And look, Sam, this is gaming. This is the gaming coin. We know how gaming is one of the biggest catalysts for crypto, right? I know people talking about DeFi, and DeFi is great. We all love DeFi, right? But gaming, right, is a real thing that crypto is improving, right? It's a real thing that a lot of people can relate to. You know, in DeFi, yes, you can relate to real solutions, amazing, but it will take time for it to overcome TradeFi, right? Normal fi people will remain, you know, conservative with their big bucks money in comparison to, you know, DeFi. However, in gaming, all gaming, they are innovative type people. They will just want to go balls deep into the new shiny thing, which is, you know, just crypto gaming. That is it. And Nakamoto Games is putting itself right there in the forefront of being a leader in this sector within crypto. What are you looking at, Siam? Yeah.
I'm just showing the audience, like, which players people should look at when they're talking about the 100x or the 1000x. Oh, ADA will make me a 100x. You know, these things already had their moment of sunshine, okay? They are massive dogs. They cannot go 10x. They cannot go 100x. They're going to fail you. You're going to cry like a baby. Instead, first of all, subscribe to this channel because we give you all the bangers. We give you, man, all of them, and you can check it out, man. Now, this is a 27 million dog. Okay, so even if you just do 10x, it's only 270 million. Okay, 270 million is like not even in the top 100 coins. I think it's page 3 even, or 2, you know. So
it's page 6.
Yeah, it's now it's page 6, but let's say it's doing 100x, so it's only 2.7 billion, you know, JOMO. So think about Naka is doing 100x from here. It's a possibility. It's a very, in my opinion, it's a very good possibility. And it's only going to be 2.7 billion, man. Look at the top dogs, you know. Where are these? What is it? Look at it. Look at the, you know, Solana. Solana is now 8 billion. Okay.
8 billion. Yeah.
You have Chainlink with 3 billion. You have
2.7 billion is over here right now, I think. Will be in the number in the top 20, but you know that will happen only in the real bull market, right? So what we are putting in front of you is to understand that in a real bull market, this will still be page 2 or 3 at 2.7 billion. All right, that's why small caps will just, you know, they will print money. Why are you in crypto? Ask yourself. You're watching us. You're watching JOMO and CM right now. We talk almost every week about the bangers. We make money every month. Most of our prediction, most of the trades we take are profitable. Why are you here? You are here because you're in search of the next 100x. right? You want to find the gems of crypto. ADA, CM, XRP, not gems anymore, right? Mountains, all right? We don't need mountains. We want gems that will become mountains eventually. And Naka, CAS, and AKT, all three are gems that most people are not even aware of, and they are not even traded at the biggest exchange yet. And they will be, right? They will probably will be in all the exchanges eventually. And that would mean that when that times come, we'll already be 10x on the positions. And that is why you need to first subscribe to this channel, and second of all, look for these coins for higher relative strength when the correction will appear. And you know what? One more thing, CM. If a correction comes, we're going to short the market, right? Don't misunderstand what we're saying right now about we're not mega bullish, right? We are not in the bull side and not in the bear side. We are in the right side, right? We trade for a living. We make money. We are money predators, right? And the market right now is just not bouncing. Look at it. It just fell down all the way to support, and it's not bouncing. It's an egg. It's an egg, all right? What we want to see for continuation to the upside is a tennis ball action. A tennis ball action, if we would have a bounce back to the area where it fell down from, it didn't. It's like an egg splash, not moving. The probability for a continuation to the downside is quite high, and we will short the market heavy. Why? Because the last time we saw this, the market was at $37,000, and we shorted the F out of the market and made huge percent gains in 2022 because we shorted the market while everyone else got wrecked. I made personally almost 100% on my portfolio shorting, and I know CM banned it as well. Why? Because we know when to short, and the probability to short right now is quite good. What do you think, CM?
Yeah, guys, this is the area. If you look into short, we are definitely going to add to our short as well here on the 24. If it breaks the 24,800 or 24,700 here, we're expect mega crash, mega dump all the way to these levels, to the 18 to 20K. And this will be, in my opinion, the biggest profitable trade of September if it's gonna happen. So if you're looking to make money in September trading crypto, short is the best, in my opinion. And then you grow your capital, and then when the market looks like it bottom out, then you DCA into CAS, into Naka, into AKT. If you want to learn how to short like a pro, how to make money in crypto on the short side, on the long side, how to identify the mega bangers before everybody knows about them, join JOMO Trading Group. Click on the link in the description of the video. Join the group, man. This is the community. Is only 19 bucks for this tier. You're getting the best coins ever. You're going to make, if you just join his group, man. I give you my word. If you're joining this group and you stay in here for a year or two, you're going to probably 10x your portfolio and even more. And you will have a skill set of a professional trader. You will have stop loss. You will have risk management, money management, how to compound profit. You will know VCP. You will know all the best patterns to trade. You're going to be unstoppable. And it's only 19 ridiculous dollars. All right, man? So join this community. You want to add something, JOMO?
Just that you said everything there is to say, you know, be 1 year with me and you will 10x your investment for sure, right? You invest in 1 year, you invest, you know, what do you invest? $240 good for 1 year, you will 10x it in 1 year. That's almost certainty, all right? Just stick with me. And I will tell you one more thing. 2022, people that came to the group, we just initiated the group in 2022, right? In the short side, we had a different type of group, not a Patreon, but only for high-tier individuals, right? And we shorted the market so strong that all of them were in shock of how much money they would have made if they actually listened to me, all right? Because the majority of the group, usually people don't listen. But if you just listen and take the steps that we take, you will make money, all right? Even on the short side. That's it, all right? Everyone, cheers. Hopefully you smart about it and get in invested now. Cheers, everybody.